Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day photo shoot. I'm going to put my inspo right here. So this was just like a random little photo shoot idea that I found on Pinterest. Not trying to do too much. Still wanted to drop some pictures just for the holiday. The to-do list for today to prepare for my photo shoot is to braid my hair, prep my wig, and stick some lashes on or do a little bit of makeup. Photo shoot isn't gonna be as involved as the other few that I've been doing lately, simply because the ideas that I found, number one, I did not want to be naked. Like, I know that I had the option to not be naked. All of the photo shoot concepts that I've been seeing so far are like everybody's naked. I'm starting to feel like a person now. Oh my God. Take a shower and I think I'm just gonna I don't know. I think I'm just gonna co-wash my hair and braid it up because I tried to braid it up last night and it was giving me the blues. I'm trying so hard not to manipulate my hair a whole lot, but like, look, I can't even slick this back if I wanted to. Okay, it's a wonder what some water and some conditioner can do. So this is what the wig looks like that I'm gonna be installing. I'm gonna prep the curls first. So my hair is blow dried. I don't think that I washed the conditioner out of my hair good enough, and I could put it in a bun. Now let me go ahead and break this up and do what I need to do. My hair is braided. I'm looking at my footage and it took me about 15 minutes to braid it. I'm about to curl this bad boy right here. So y'all already know that my entryway is the place that I take pictures inside. So I'm just gonna do my regular. I'm gonna take this out, I'm gonna move this, and then I'm gonna set up all my background stuff. So honestly, I think that the only thing I'm gonna have to do is set up my background stand and probably like sweep the floor. So that is what my setup was looking like. I still had to set up like my ring light and my LED lights, but like you can see that my background was super duper wrinkled. Like I had already had everything set up, and I was not about to take down that backdrop and put it in the dryer. So that's what we got. You can't really tell in the pictures, but like if you look real close, you can kind of tell. Honestly, don't even want to do my makeup. Like I just want to stick some lashes on and be done with it, which I think that's what I'm gonna do, honestly, because I don't need any makeup. Just not feeling it right now. So I'm gonna set up my other ring light. I'm gonna set up my ring light, and then I'm gonna set up my other LED light, and then I'm gonna show y'all my props, and then I'm gonna install my wig, stick my lashes on, and then we gonna make it do what it do. Have my background and all the other things needed to set up. Just like the other video, I was coloring that pink and red wig. This is the same hair from that same cheap ass Amazon vendor. So I mean, I'm gonna put it down below and let y'all have at it, but it's not really my preference when it comes to hair. I'm literally just coloring these wigs so I can like get my color skills up, so I can, you know, so when it's time to sell them, I don't have like zero clue as to like what I'm gonna do. So excuse this terrible trash lighting, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all about my prop. Here is the star of the show. So I got these gloves, and then I got these pants. So these are just like regular trousers. I typed in on Amazon like red business trousers or whatever. So that is what I got. And I got them, I think I got them in a medium, either a medium or a large. I wouldn't be surprised if I got large because I got a dump truck back here. Whenever I do stuff like this, like when it comes to wigs or when it comes to pictures, I set up everything first, and then I just kind of let my creativity take over, because I can have one vision, but the vision might not translate, but the vision that translates while I'm in it normally looks better. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I didn't get a whole lot of footage of me shooting, but that's just pretty much my setup. I had a chair set up at first, but I didn't really like the way my body was looking, so I just decided to get down on the floor instead. So y'all already know that I use Lens Buddy to shoot because it's just easier for me to take my own pictures that way. So now I am editing. So when I was editing my pictures, I mostly play with like the shadows and the exposure, because I wanted my pictures to be kind of moody versus the pictures that are already on my Instagram page, which are like really bright and happy. So I wanted this to look a little sultry, a little sexy, because it was Valentine's Day, and now I'm editing my lace in PixArt. So Disclaimer, sometimes I do edit my lace because my installs don't turn out the way I want them to sometimes, especially if I'm using like an Amazon wig like this. And also, I was just trying to get the wig on my head, y'all. I didn't really care what it was gonna look like because I knew it was gonna be retouched anyway. So here's how my pictures turned out. So this is not what I was going for, like I said in the video, but like they ended up looking so pretty. The hair color was looking so pretty on me. Just the red, everything was giving. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.